Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can invite for collaboration on Instagram after posting. So let's say you have made a post and you want to invite somebody for collaboration. In that case, you can go into the post and click on the three dot at the top right of the post, and then you need to click on where it says edit. Once you click on edit, at the bottom left corner you can see tag people. Click on tag people. Once you click on tag people, you can tag people. So let's say I want to tag my friend Vichy Kevin. I can do that. Once I tag him, I can click on done at the top right. Click on done again, and he will be tagged on this post. Now after I tag him on this post, he will get a notification. Then he can do something related with this post. Now this is called tagging people, because you can only tag people after you have posted. If you want to invite other for collaboration, then you need to just delete the post and re-upload the post again. And while you're uploading the post, you need to invite people for collaboration, because you cannot invite anybody for collaboration after uploading. You need to do it before uploading or during the uploading phase. So the only thing you can do after uploading is tag them, and through the tagging feature they will get the notification and they can do whatever they want with that notification. So I hope you understand how we guys can invite for collaboration in Instagram after posting. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.